Well, when we have two lines that are intersected by a transversal, this is going to create 8 pair of angle relationships. And we got interior angles and exterior angles and corresponding interior angles and alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles, as well as corresponding angles. And we're being asked here to identify a few of these angle relationships. And really the first thing we probably want to do is identify our transversal. And so our transversal here is this line right there. All right, so once we've got that identified, then we can set about to identify the angle relationship. So the first pair we're asked to identify is angle 3 and angle 7. Well, both angle 3 and 7 are interior. They're on the inside, if you will, of this line here and this line here, but they're on opposite sides of the transversal, and so this would say this is alternate interior. Angles 3 and 7 are alternate and in the interior angles. Okay, let's see, 5 and 7. Well, 7 is on the interior, 5 is on the exterior, but 7 is at the bottom of this line here, and 5 is on the bottom. Put that in a different color. 5 is in the bottom of that line, so is 7, and so we would say that these are corresponding angles. All right, 4 and 8. All right, well, 8's on the exterior of that line, and 4 is on the exterior of this line. And so then we could say that these are, and they're on the opposite sides of the transversal, so these are alternate exterior angles. And last pair we're asked to identify 2 and 3. Well, angles 2 and 3 are both on the inside of the lines that the transversal is intersecting, but they're on the same side as the transversal. And so therefore these are consecutive interior angles. As with anything in math, sometimes it takes a little bit of practice, but our pair relationships, we got interior angles, we got exterior angles. Our interior angles here are 2, 7, 3, and 6. Our exterior angles are 1, 8, 4, and 5. Our consecutive interiors are 2 and 3. Those are consecutive interiors. 7 and 6 are consecutive interior. Our alternate interior angles are 3 and 7 are alternate interior. 2 and 6 are alternate interior. Our alternate exterior are 4 and 8 that we've already described, but 1 and 5 is also an alternate. Those are also alternate exterior angles. And our corresponding angles are 5 and 7 and 2 and 4 and 8 and 6 and 1 and 3. Identifying and classifying angle pair relationships. Get some practice in.